Good day. This is our POS milk tea system. It is good for your milk tea businesses. Dual screen compatibility for your advertisements. It also has cash or card payment system. It also generates stickers for your orders. We offer free web-based system that you can use on your tablet to view your reports. Here are some graphical reports that you can view in your POS Web System. You can also use your mobile phone. This is compatible for Android and iOS. You can also use your laptop to modify items easily. We are BIR accredited. Mall and airport compliant. To know more details, visit our Facebook page. Book your free online demo now. Thank you.